Did you know the washing machine has been around for over 200 years? The very first washing machine was invented in 1797 by Nathaniel Briggs. It was called the scrub board, a manual contraption that made laundry just a bit easier for people. Fast forward to 1851, James King introduced a washing machine with a drum, a design that started resembling modern machines. But it wasn't until the early 1900s that electric washing machines began to revolutionize homes. So next time you toss your clothes into a washing machine, remember, it all started with a wooden scrub board over 2 centuries ago. Closing line. Follow for more amazing facts from history.